Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get Perplexity API key. I just tab on my Google Chrome and after officially logged in my perplexity.ai and just move in my profile, which is top right corner bottom, and after get inside you will see the API. Just tab on it. So from here just set up a payment to connect the credit card. To start using the API key, just tap on setup, and after just input payment details. So from here you just tab your card number, your expiration date, your security code, CVC, and select your country. So after just all the complete information, just tab on submit. So an application programming interface API key is a code used to identify and authenticate an application or user. API keys are available through a platform such as a white label internal marketplace. They also act as a unique identifier and provide a secret token for authentication purpose. So when you after complete the payment details, you will get a API key. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.